If you are on the market for the highest rated heavy bags, this video is for you. Whether you are a novice or experienced boxer, fighter, or mixed martial artist, you will always have to use a heavy bag for your training. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss and review the best punching bags, which are best sold and achieve top-rated reviews from customers and users. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. FITVEN Freestanding Punching Bag. The FITVEN Heavy Bag Kit comes as a freestanding unit and weighs 200 pounds, excellent for trainers of all experience levels. This freestanding heavy bag kit is an ideal choice for fitness spaces with no suspension platforms. The heavy bag is 70 inches tall and stands on a quick rebound base supported by springs and a suction base for balance. It features multi-layer construction for better balance, durability, and shock absorption. The base can be filled with sand for sturdiness so that you can box with confidence. It also comes with a pair of 10mm gloves for a complete boxing experience. Key features: 10mm thick foam for shock absorption, 12 strong suction cups to keep the heavy bag in place, tear-resistant PU leather for durability. The springs can be removed for less bounce. Number 2. DryPacks Freestanding Punching Bag. When it's just not feasible for you to hang a punching bag at home, we recommend a freestanding one as an excellent alternative. Constructed with high-quality, durable synthetic leather, this heavy-duty bag from DryPacks can handle full punches, front kicks, roundhouse kicks, and more. Features: weight, 182 pounds. Height, 69 inches tall. Materials, synthetic leather exterior. Type, freestanding. The bag's PVC shock absorbers help reduce vibration and noise, making it a great choice for those who don't want to disturb other family members or neighbors during a boxing workout. The total weight of the punching bag ranges from 137 to 182 pounds, depending on whether you fill the base with water or sand. Suction cups on the bottom of the base keep the bag stable and in place when you're throwing punches, even if it's set up on a smooth, slippery surface. Pros: durable. Reduces noise. Base has suction cups to remain stable. Cons: base does not come filled. Number 3. Century Wavemaster Punching Bag. With a tremendous striking surface, we recommend this extra long bag, because it's extremely versatile for people of all sizes to practice a variety of movements from high jabs to low kicks. Whether you prefer boxing, MMA, kickboxing, Muay Thai, Taekwondo, or Karate, our experts think the Wavemaster XXL is an excellent choice for even the toughest and most strenuous home workouts. Features: weight, up to 270 pounds when filled. Height, 69 inches tall. Materials, vinyl exterior, filled with high-density foam. Type, freestanding. With a high-quality vinyl exterior and high-density foam filling, this bag provides excellent shock absorption and durability. The low-profile base can be filled with sand or water and helps to keep it stable. This bag stands 69 inches tall and can weigh up to 270 pounds when the base is filled. Pros: durable. Comes filled. Comes in various colors. Cons: height isn't adjustable. Number 4. Everlast 70-pound Punching Bag. With everything you need to get an effective, efficient workout, this heavy bag kit from Everlast is an excellent pick for beginners as well as those who have used punching bags at the gym but want their own setup at home. This versatility and its excellent value for what you get make it our best overall pick. Features: weight, 70-pound bag. Height, 41 inches, bag length. Materials, poly canvas exterior, filled with natural and synthetic materials. Type, hanging. The 70-pound bag comes filled with natural and synthetic materials, as well as sifted sand. You'll also get 108-inch hand wraps to protect your hands, boxing gloves, and a bungee cord for added resistance when you need it. Whether you choose to use it indoors or outside, you get several options for hanging it, and we love that the adjustable chain lets you customize the height to your preferences. Pros: comes filled. Includes extra equipment. Adjustable height. Cons: included equipment may lack durability. Number 5. Outslayer Filled Punching Bag. Known as the gold standard of heavy bags, the Outslayer 100-pound punching bag is top-rated among boxing enthusiasts and fitness professionals. Features: weight, 100 pounds, with capacity up to 300 pounds. Height, 55 inches, bag length. Materials, filled with fabric. Type, hanging. Our most durable bag on the list, it's filled only with dense fabric, so you won't experience excess settling in hard or hollow spots, which sometimes happens with sand-filled bags. Although it's pricier than some other heavy bags, it's a high-quality, durable bag and comes with a 10-year warranty. Pros: comes filled. 10-year warranty. Easy to clean. Cons: may be expensive. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.